and as you can see, the surrounding is a bit different. And yes, I am not at my home, but I am in Kerala right now. And yesterday we had a flight, and I didn't get much to shoot about it. But yes, today I'll be going out. I'll be showing you guys where I'll be going. And now let's see the surrounding where I am. These are my friends.
Hi, good morning. I am Father Vimal. I am a priest. I belongs to Diocese of Irinalakuda. This is my home, and these are my friends. They are coming from vacation to see the Kerala. And now I am at our garden. There are different types of varieties of fruits here. This is a kind of spice. It is called as Jadika in Malayalam and Marathi.
हां, आपण ह्याला जायफळ असं म्हणतो आणि खूप हे स्पायसेस महाग पण असतं. तुम्ही पाहू शकता इथे झाडावरती किती आहेत आणि त्यांनी काढून सुद्धा
You
दाखवलंय.
can see this one.
आपण हे जेवणासाठी वगैरे खूप वापरतो.
Then now we can.
कॅन यू
pluck-
शो अस वन लाईक
Yeah,
फ्रॉम द ट्री?
we can pluck one from directly from our tree. Give me catch. I'll be able to keep you. Then friends, this is another fruit. It is in Malayalam. It is called as mangosteen. In Marathi-
आणि मराठीमध्ये आपण याला कोकम असं म्हणतो.
This
And-
is usually we can get in summertime. Now it is already
Raining.
And this is some kind of variety of jackfruit.
जॅकफ्रूट सुद्धा इथे आहे आणि तुम्ही पाहू शकता याची स्टेम जी आहे ती खूप बारीक आहे आणि आपण जो वसईला जॅकफ्रूटचं जे झाड बघतो ते थोडंसं जाड असतं.
It is very sweet.
आणि इथे अजून एक फ्रूटचं पण झाड आहे जे एकदम लिची सारखं असतं.
Yeah, this one is rambutan.
ओके.
It is very tasty fruit. This is only. It is growing only. It will
इट
become.
बिकम्स लाईक लिची रेड इन
this
कलर.
Red in color. Variety of colors, maybe yellow, and also we will get in red color.
ओके.
This is, I forgot that time its name. It is Vietnam jackfruit.
जॅकफ्रूट व्हिएतनामी जॅकफ्रूट.
Vietnam jackfruit.
आणि अंकलने इथे जॅकफ्रूट कट करायला घेतला आहे. इट इज फुल्ली राईट. एकदम फ्रेश.
Right.
Okay, so Kiwi is going to try it first.
Smell also good, na? Jackfruit.
Yummy, huh? It is too
Tasty,
good.
na?
Yes.
When it is raining, na, it will absorb the water. Then it taste will get down.
Okay, yeah.
But now it is sweet
Yes,
only.
it is sweet.
Then you are lucky. Veggie.
ही एवढी सगळी झाडं जायफळाची आहेत.
This is a kind of
Ayurvedic plant, right?
Ayurvedic plant. It is called as Makota Deva, the crown of God. It is called as crown of God.
इथे भरपूर केळी सुद्धा आहेत. सो गायज, आता आमचा दुपारचा प्लॅन होता की आम्ही आद्रपल्ली वॉटरफॉल्सला जाणार. बट दुपारच्याच वेळी नेमका पाऊस चालू झाला आणि खूप जोराचा पाऊस होता. त्यामुळे आम्ही विचार केला की आता आपण नाही जायचं, दुसरीकडे कुठेतरी जाऊया. तर आता रेडी होऊन आम्ही डॅमवरती जाणार आहोत. सो व्हॉट इज द नेम ऑफ द डॅम?
Tumburmudi.
तुंबुरमुरी डॅम. ओके. अँड नाव वी आर हेडिंग टुवर्ड्स द डॅम. सो लेट्स गो. फ्रेंड्स, आम्ही हे फ्रूट घेतलेलं आहे आणि विमल दादाच्या घरी ह्याचा ट्री आहे ऑलरेडी. सो व्हॉट इज दिस फ्रूट?
This is rambutan.
Rambutan.
Yeah.
It is same like lychee, right? Okay. Okay, so now we are finally at the dam, and how much for the ticket?
It's only for with parking also 85. For here is this one. This water is from Adirapalli waterfalls.
The water comes from there.
Hey friends, this is hanging bridge only, and we can get a good view of this dam from the upside. With all the water comes from the Adirapalli waterfall.
वाव, किती छान व्ह्यू आपल्याला दिसतो इथून.
From here only we took the water for agriculture.
सो फ्रेंड्स हे बटरफ्लाय प्लांट आहे आणि असं सांगतात की मोस्टली बटरफ्लाय जास्त इथे विंटर्समध्ये आपल्याला पाहायला मिळतात आणि आता मी जूनच्या महिन्यात आली आहे तरी मला इथे बटरफ्लायज दिसत आहेत पण तेवढे नाही. आपण पाहू शकता इथे and here is a theme water park.
You can check here. This is the bridge.
There is a river here.
This is Trichur district and that is Ernakulam district.
Okay.
This is a bridge connecting two districts.
So friends, this is oil palm.
This is oil palm.
Oil palm.
Yes, oil palm trees. I think we can open and keep some natural AC.
The roads are too good here.
That side you can see that river. That side. On the right side. ध्यान से देख. You can see sometimes
Elephants over here.
Yeah.
Okay.
Elephants will be not in the black color,
Huh.
mud color only.
Oh.
Mud.
This was our day 1 in Kerala, and as the day before we were traveling and we were tired, so we didn't roam much today. But in the coming next video I'll be showing you guys that we'll be going to Athirapalli and Vayachal waterfall, and further we will also go for a forest ride, which is a dense forest, and I'll be uploading a video. I hope you like this video. If yes, then do like and share it with your friends, and if you're new to my channel, please do subscribe. Click on the bell icon to get notified when I'll be uploading a video, and thank you for watching.